stopped for a little lunch. We can't eat too much because we have big dinner plans. Welcome to the Nindagali pub. This pub is actually the oldest hotel and pub that is still in its original condition since it first opened in 1864.
It's funny that they're trying to talk us out of it, but
Still think we should do it. We're not getting anything else. That's the whole meal. It's got everything we need.
And what's it gonna be?
I think we're gonna do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I will check with the kitchen.
Okay.
Now, they serve a 1.5 kilo hamburger. So that's what we're here for.
Yes, they can do it. It just takes like an hour to make it.
You look like you're gonna cry.
I'm so hungry. Come on, Buzz.
Okay, let's go eat.
19, Ray Train Mega. All right.
Thank you.
All right, guys, enjoy it.
Thank you.
It's heavy.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. That's 4 plates.
It's so heavy.
Come and sit here, son. Come in here.
That's the burger.
Thank you.
I couldn't wait. I had to have the fry. I'm so hungry. The knife like doesn't reach the bottom. I'm so stoked. Okay, what am I doing?
I don't know. Should we work on one side?
Yeah, let's do a slice. Oh no, I'm losing it.
It's a little dark, but... Holy, I don't even know how to do this.
I don't know either. So good.
That's like good pineapple.
What are your first few bites? Thoughts?
It's really good. It's cooked really well. It's not dry, not like raw. It's nice and juicy.
I don't think I've eaten half my toppings, but
I've eaten like my patty. Now I got a bunch of bread. But I feel like avoiding the bread is going to help me get farther into this.
the bun is really good.
Yeah, but it's the bun's the most filling part.
I know. Oh, this is like a way more manageable piece. First one was too big. Oh god, I'm already losing it though. Maybe I spoke too soon. What if I flip it? Half the challenge is just holding it.
Yeah. All right, we got some waters and we're gonna keep crushing this. All right?
My tummy's starting to hurt.
I need you.
I don't know if I can do it. It's like all my lettuce.
There's a whole other burger there.
There's no patty.
It's a veggie burger.
I can't do it. I'm gonna puke. I'm I'm done. I'm sorry I let you down.
Yeah, let me down. Very impressed. I finished all the curly fries.
Oh, I'm good to go. No, I'm kidding. I'll eat fries. Excuse me.
I can hold that an empty plate.
I feel defeated.
I feel like I conquered it. I don't want to say that the burger defeated us because I didn't go into this thinking we were going to eat it all.
Yeah.
I went into it thinking we'd finish half the burger,
Yeah.
but we finished about
I'd say half including this.
half the burger.
Should I go get a to-go box?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Chantal doesn't like tomatoes that much either. No tomatoes, no bananas. Well, she eats tomatoes. I put them in everything and she eats them. Not like me though. I'll eat a tomato like it's an apple. More tomatoes. I'm just eating your tomatoes.
Okay, thanks.
Final remarks. How was the burger?
It was great. I'm done.
I don't think we're meant for food challenges.
No, this isn't going to be a food challenge channel. Oh, I'm so full. I need to lay down.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna pop. I love how like half the people here just came up. Start taking photos.